Guys, hi, boom, good grief. Fussy fuss today. Damn. Are you good, boom? See, we woke up with some sass today. Just wow. Anyways, how you doing, boom? Apart from sassy. I know it's early, but apparently you've been waiting, so let's not disappoint you.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What's up? Cute little it was scheduled to start at this time. Been waiting since London. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Speaking of London, I need to go through everything. It has indeed been a busy day, so I thought let's go through this process together, shall we? I know you don't care so much about it, but you get to deal with me doing it, so I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna mark this because this was opening price, awesome sauce. Now, let's go to midnight.
Hi! Good morning!
Ayo, Sully, what's up? Why didn't I stream? I had to sort out my passport. So I had to go and, yeah, go drive into like the dodgiest freaking part of KZN. Absolutely terrifying, but I made it. I'm alive. We're good. Whee! Next. Like I said, I'm going through the whole process now. Let's do this together. I say it's a process, like there's a lot. Asia high has been taken, Asia low has been taken. Cool, cool, cool. London low is there. There's not much to actually mark, so I guess never mind. On the freaking NWOG, I call this London low. I know, don't come at me, but I'm gonna call it London low. Okay. London high has been taken, and this is just shot off. We have relative equal lows down here. This is quite juicy. I'm actually going to mark them. I just use a different style for these. There we go. Those are the relative equal lows. I will leave that there for now. Now I can turn this back off. Did I mark? No, that's already been taken. I must say, if I do say so myself, the Mojo Jojo worked quite well yesterday. Don't judge me for calling it the Mojo Jojo, okay. What's up, Geordie? How are you? Mayakin? Wow, you're illegal. In the London session started flying. Eddie, I know. I hopped on and I was like, I started to question if I was late. I was like, am I running late? Because what in the London is this? Seriously, I was really questioning things. My ASMR trainings. What's up, Zip? How are you doing? I'm gonna have to report you to the government. I mean, I live in South Africa. Do what you want. It's not gonna do anything. Geordie, I did. I know it's not nearly as bad as like Centurion CBD or Joburg CBD, but it was still, yeah. I'm feeling nice. I see that. I love it. I'm super chuffed with that. That one gets this.
Nice.
Yeah. No, 100%. And then I have to go somewhere and I had to park on the side of the road, and I was like, is this illegal? This might be illegal. I mean, just because everyone else is doing it doesn't make it legal. But, you know, I sat in the car for like 20 minutes and I didn't get yelled at, so I was like, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Hey, yo, Steven, what's up? Long time no see. How you been doing? Okay, I've marked out everything so far. This is... Was there news? Was there news or anything? Just, you know, out of curiosity. But also, quick sticks while we have the time. Let's do this. So, let's go check out... Not that. Let's check out the daily. Okay. We are stuck. Let's see if we break above. We filled the imbalance, but we still are rejecting off of it. Let's see if it breaks properly above this or not. Build that. Interesting. Okay, let's see if it rejects off of this imbalance again or if it's going to finally break above. It might break above. Next point of interest would then actually be this order block at 107. Yeah, okay, let's do the wick of the order block, 994. I mean, don't get me wrong, it has to take out a bunch of this first, but let's say said 994, hey? Yeah. 994 seems okay. Let's check out 4 hour. And then I will pay attention again. I'm reacquainting myself quickly. Okay. So that being said, we still have not taken out this, what, 516 level. We tapped in, oh, we haven't even tapped into this. We did tap into the order block. Nearly 3 times. Who expects a potential heavy rejection off of 519? 519 is quite a solid level. Did I make that a point of interest? I can't remember. I don't think I made 519 a very big point of interest. I'll focus on you guys in a minute. I'm just going through what? Bottom to top analysis? Yes. High to low analysis, whatever you want to call it. 519. Okay. Let me double check if I made 519 a point of interest. Let's see if it's going to finally break above, tap into that, and then potentially a rejection. Check the 1 hour. Some more confirmation. Yeah, 519. 519 would be quite cool. Let's see if it does. Tap into it before we go back down, or at least have a rejection to the sell side. If it doesn't reject, I will actually be thoroughly surprised. So what's that? We're on the 1 hour. Let's check out the 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute. We've left a lot. Okay. Stuck in value, broke out. I might be going against quite a few people here when I say I actually have a bit of a bullish bias today. Might retest slightly, don't get me wrong, especially with all of this unmitigated imbalance over here on the 15-minute, but I'm feeling bulls. I could be wrong though, like I said. Yeah, obviously, look at all this. Retracement back down wouldn't be the worst thing to see before we start going back up. Okay, so that's a 5-minute. Let's go back to the 1 then. Okie dokie, sorry. Miss NFP. Oh, thank you, Debbie. Appreciate it. Also, hi, Debbie. What's up? I'm so glad you're here. NFP was 2 times better than expected. I'm doing great as always. Thank you. Hope you've been having fun. Yeah, Stephen, you know, I can't complain. Always having fun with this amazing community. Palashan, oh, what that? Sir Bull, hi. Focus, how you doing? Hit the like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you, Stephen. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Should I make pasta today? You know, I did the lazy thing and bought a frozen lasagna, so I mean, yeah, sure, then pasta, right? Lasagna's a pasta, go for it. Do pasta, let's be pasta buddies. Juan, you're short? Your first tap was a sure thing. Now I'm conflicted. You and I both. Previous day low and previous day high was taken. I'm trading levels today. Jordy, levels for the win. Honestly, the more I watch them, the more... yeah, I mean, look at this. Rejected off straight into that bob level. Literally to the tick. It blows my mind. It blows my mind, but yeah, like I said, so much respect to Bob. So much respect to Bob. I have new software. Let's see how it's working. Hey, Dom, what's up? What software do you have? David's friend up, literally. It's dumped on denied. Yes. Not who, David's friend. Wow, not even calling him by his name. What's up, Fox? How you doing? The answer's always is, what kind of pasta are you making for dinner? Market is scripted sometimes. Well, no way it is. You think market is scripted sometimes? I think the market is no, okay. Let me not say that. The market's not predictable. It just it has its patterns, right? Does it always listen to the patterns? No. But I guess that's it. It's patterns and working out the correct sugar honey iced tea. What's the correct word now that I'm trying to find? By the way, as much as I fumble when talking on stream, do you know how often I fumble just talking like a normal human being? I did it today. Actually, I don't even want to say this. I was talking to myself for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to it now. I was talking to myself and I completely messed it up and I stopped and I was like, how am I going to stream today? Well, I can't even talk. Anyways, what's up, some guy? How are you doing? When open, we can see a pump and dump. Okay, that's interesting. Wait, what was that level I said earlier? Shoot, I said 519. Okay, so just above this London high was my main point of interest where I think this might hit 514 and then retrace. So then I agree. Sorry, my friend's calling me. Then I agree, Dom. Do you think it's going to push up to 514, let's say 514, and then start going down? Or do you think it's going to go down and then pop back up? Staying of us, it sounds great. Alfredo was a side of steak. Oh, gosh. All good things. Just took the easiest 4R trade. Took 50% out, locked in 2% profit, letting the rest run. Damn, some guy. Okay, well done. That's amazing. What the heck, man? Yo, sorry guys, I basically haven't been home the whole day. Doing anything here takes the whole day, so it was such a long day. It was such a long day. So Jordy, I may or may not have had a little pick-me-up that was not coffee, but it is a caffeinated beverage. I'm gonna say it like that because people yell at me if I say what I drank. You get what I mean, right? Yeah. Cool. You know what I'm talking about. Only stopped at Wallace. No, I'll take one to doc for a follow-up after her fall last week. Some guy, do you know what's very frustrating? And I actually, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so sorry. I've been meaning to message you. I thought about it yesterday. And then I was at the horses when I thought about it, and then I forgot to message you. I've been meaning to message you and ask how your mom is and what's happening, and I hope that she's okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna blame the ADHD for that because my brain jumped between 50 things, and then later on in life I realized that I did indeed forget to do what I thought about doing. I have been meaning to message you, so I'm very, very sorry. I really hope your mom's okay. Looks like it's teasing to break up. Sounds like my dad just got out of hospital too. What the heck, man, Jordy? Is your dad okay? Wait, what? Coffee Sega? No. It's the cold version of coffee that you survive off of. Well, that I survive off of. But, you know. Oh, hello. When you need a little pick-me-up to keep you awake. Please catch my drift. Please catch my drift. I don't want to say it because I'm going to get yelled at. Okay, she's staring for more than anything, but they took her driver license away because they couldn't explain the reason for her falling over. Okay, some guy. Okay, I'm glad. Okay, sorry. Dom's saying 1 minute left. Pay attention. It's focus. It's raining again. Thank heavens. Yeah, he's good. Remember that day I was like, gotta go family stuff. Yeah, that, but okay. I'm glad that he's good. 22 seconds. I'm counting down. You should be able to get a license back. We found someone who has a ring doorbell that has video footage. Well, she tripped over the curb, so it wasn't actually past it. Oh, okay. Okay, wait, sorry. 2 seconds. Well, 7 seconds to be specific. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I don't know why I expected more. I did expect more, but anyways. Microwave. I haven't, like I said, I haven't been on, what happened? Microwave. This doesn't look like it's doing anything super exciting. I'm going into accountability. What happened? What did I miss? What happened? Microwave. Second time this week I've been missed by a tick. No, and that tick was so close. Microwave? No. Nah, that wasn't even a tick. That was the spread. That was not okay. I just saw that now. What the heck, man? Am I familiar with Junie B? No. Yes and no. Like, that name sounds familiar, but I don't know why. Who dat? Who dat? Ah, Jijima. Do. Maybe I shouldn't have had that caffeinated beverage. Anyways. She's 80, so these things are bound to happen. Oh, yeah, that's valid. So, up there for short. Do those tests and checkups just to be on the safe side. I feel like it's worse not knowing what's going on. Yep. Okay, here's the 9:30. Sure, guys, that really, it's tough. I'm gonna say something that sounds really bad, so just deal with me, but at least my parents are in, well, a foreign country, so if anything happens, I'm hours and hours and hours, literally hours away, even with a plane. That actually sounds really bad. That's actually kind of terrifying. Huh. I won't be able to do much. Yep, no, that made it so much worse. Anyways. Oh! Wow, Sully!
Emotional damage!
Yeah, okay, anyways. Would have been 500 trade, but oh well, I'm making the change to my plan to have my entry point or 2 points above my level. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm saying this because so many people say this to me and I'm always like, no, I stick to the plan, blah, 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 blah. When you see that point get to like a tick away from your entry, but it misses. And yes, I know I cannot believe I'm saying this, but why don't you mark it in then? Like, if you see it so close and just doesn't get you, would you think about marketing in or not really? Yeah. Oh, damn, OTT. Okay, well, thank you for popping in. I appreciate it. Damn, okay. I appreciate it. She was trying not to go to hospital to get checked out after it happened. I was like, man, I'm taking you now for people. You got a good stock. I can put some money in. Yeah, Maya coin. I'm joking. Stuff has been playing on my mind lately. Parents and health, etc. Scary stuff. No, honestly. You know what also sucks? It feels like they have us that we can deal with the issues when they are older. I'm like, that's not fair. I didn't ask for that. Anyways. Summarize for me. I got him on mute. You guys are so sweet. Aww. True. Let's focus. Well, you say let's focus. There's nothing here yet. Well, that being said, I guess... Okay, let me talk too soon. This looks like an itty bitty first presented. A very itty bitty first presented, but it is there. Okay, here's the first presented. Sorry, I didn't get all my rubbish talk out this morning during London session. That first presented, awesome. Good rejection off of here. This might go all the way down. 9:30. No, this is going to be the 5 a.m. Bob to Bob. Seriously. That's actually not okay. Wait a minute. This is a really big 5-minute range. Yes, sorry, Mikuava. Yes, I mean, just press that buy or sell button. I asked you this a few weeks ago and you got a little bit. I know, Solly, that's why I said I can't believe I'm saying it. Okay. Also, nice to know I'm not on mute. So I gotta be sassy. I missed being sassy to you this morning. I feel like fair's fair. Holy. Okay, then. This is the 5-minute candle. Cool, that's the 5-minute candle. Thought we go down right off the current funding games. A good cheers, some guy that might not get tagged. No. Hey, Richanne, what's up? How you doing? Can you teach any idea how to enter, open, and stop? I don't know my trade. Huh? Watch this work out. I mean, I don't think I would be taking it because of this doji, because that doji is kind of terrifying, but huh. They would have mitigated risk by half. Let's see how this reacts. Okay, it would have been a break even. Shoot, maybe I just have to start taking it. It's going back. Oh, do we think this is going back to midnight? Oh, flipping midnight price, written midnight, whatever. Midnight open and VWAP. Shoot. That being said, I mean, I did have 1, 2... no, I probably wouldn't have taken this. It would have worked out, but I most likely would not have taken this trade. It's not an A+, it's a B setup, but... Check out just tapped in and now potentially reversing. Okay. Interesting. Never when big mouth starts popping. Wow! Wow! SQ chance is worse than Miles. Wait, why? OTT? Why? What does it look like? Look, no man's land from here. Hey, I'm cleaning it up. You read your message! We go to VWAP. Let's see when WWE3 starts. We'll be putting all our money on. But, Eddie, what? What? I don't even know what that is. Thing is, part of my edge comes from is testing the level and seeing the buyers hold above. So if it doesn't quite touch, you get another test. But this week has just been. Oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. But then, maybe it's just a bad week, right? It's not that you... Okay. Mikuave, let's actually make this simple. Did you take the trade? Like you had it set up and it just missed you. Then you've done nothing wrong. You know, stuff just happens sometimes. But you stuck with your rules, you stuck with your strategy, and it worked out. I mean, it would have worked out if it tagged you in, but the fact that it missed you, you know, it is what it is. Says me that rages when it misses me by a tick. Still. The laughters. The US military. What's going on right now? It's a good sign if they have just swept that high before dropping. Really? Why is that, Tom? Why do you say that? Break even, partial taken. I paid that duck thing or whatever you guys call it. Yes, paid the duck. All the moves this week have been small, short moves. Interesting. Not just going on. There's no ways it's for a beginner. Do not front run your. I'm waiting for the end of that. 4 minutes to go for 15-minute range. Struggling to break, but it's struggling to fall down as well. No, I get that, but I love seeing the monies. No, I know, Mikuwabe, I know, I do understand that. And it sucks when it goes perfectly in your direction and you're like, I call it perfectly, well, I guess almost perfectly, just missed by it. It is very frustrating. Entries. Do I not front run my entries so I don't miss? Tom, what type? No. So, okay, we have different trading strategies and different trading styles by the sounds of things. Really, unfortunately, if you pass, you do have to pay for the live account. That's unfortunately the one thing with Violin, but I do know they have one of the cheaper, I'm not going to say cheapest, one of the cheaper rates. But there is an activation fee. That's the only bummer. But otherwise, I know a lot of people that use and really enjoy Violin. If you don't want an activation fee, I mean, Traderfy is currently having a 30% discount off of all of their accounts, which is awesome. You can use my code for that. It's TeachMaya, all caps. Yeah. You can use my code. I got now a Traderfy code. You can use my code, TeachMaya, all caps, and then you get a 30% discount on all accounts. Or 40% off of 150k select. Already touched the open graphs at that level. Just talking about NFP being on Wednesday and being weird. Really, I don't want to lie to you. I think it's around, sure, I don't want to lie to you. I want to say around $100, which is quite expensive. Traderfy, TeachMaya, all the way. Thank you, Bikubabe. Let's go to New York High. 1 minute, shitty, 9. I know I like the bulls, but I like the bulls specifically to reach this high at 514 and then retracement back down. Let's see if that is indeed what it does. I mean, it's struggling to break below this. I think the buyers might be coming into play here. Look at this doji, look at these wicks going on. I think this might start pushing back up now. Let's watch and see what happens here, but clearly it's struggling to break below. So clearly the buyers are really not wanting it to get back into that level. But the sellers are still fighting. This is some Game of Thrones rubbish going on right here. If it starts to go up, I would like to see it go for that London high. Like to being the key word, but is it gonna? Now look at these wicks forming. Hello, sweetie. Oh. Okay, there's a little bit of thunder and lightning, so he's not too happy. Top step isn't looking good no more. Why? What's up with top step? Michael talking about my entry for shorts, but didn't tag me in the nonsense. I'm flipping to Traderfy next account. Top step. Are you? Wait. I'm saying yay. Are you gonna use my code, Keith? Sorry. I know you don't like me, but I'd appreciate the support. Respect your elders. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's not selling with volume. I'll be looking for dip to buy plus news were positive. I'm correct. Yes, news shot through the roof earlier. I mean, when have we ever seen this? Heyo, Oksana, what's up? How you doing? Bang, short, easy. NQ doesn't tag my limit. How fun. I think she's gone on its way up. Heyo, Jason, how you doing? It was mad weird though, but Also an easy read. Danny, different London high. Different London high from a while back. If you can see, quite a while ago. Basically, it's just a high. There's a point of interest of mine. Yep, that 517-ish level was a London high from probably last week. Well, obviously last week. Anyways, I was actually stuck between Tradify and my funded futures. I'm done all my research on AI and Tradify won every time. Interesting. Yeah, please special pay. Wow. First we go to open candle. Does Perry have a code? Am I gonna have to get Perry a code? I know you'll support Perry. I thought we previously alone respected. If I had accounts to full port, I would. Although NVIDIA tapped its stop. Hey! Oh, thanks, Jason. You're such a sweetie pie. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Here is 15-minute range. Just in case anyone is looking for this. I'm aware this looks yucky. Okay, I am aware this does not look nice right now. Oh damn, look at that respect off the first presented. I was actually not expecting it to respect that first presented so nicely. Into the 930. Struggle to break there. Okay. Sorry, watching this closely, would I have even taken this? Meh. Meh being the key word here. Back into that range. I mean, probably not. This has only had 2 confluences. Not a good enough one for me. If I'd done the full range here, let's see what this would have looked like. Ooh, that would have been close. This is gonna break below. You know, either way, it's kind of irrelevant right now. So let's hands off, see if we go anywhere apart from sideways. If this goes sideways again today, I'm gonna be a grumpy goose. Close when TP limits was removed. Watch it play out. No! OTT, I'm so sorry! Funded accounts are pretty good as well. The zombie, yeah, no, 100%. Let's do this. I better go up now. Boom, look at Discord. Listen here, Boom. Listen here. Boom is just here to bully me. I think that's Boom's objective in life. He's like, Boom and Solly, this is why you guys like each other so much, hey? Because I swear you guys go get together between streams and you're like, how can we cause the most emotional damage to Maya today? What are we gonna do today? How can we make this work? First present value. Does it matter about time frame or what? So it's the 1 minute. It's the 1 minute first presented fair value gap. I use the 1 minute. I know people use different time frames, but I use the 1 minute. I've heard that you can use like the 5 minute first presented, but yeah. Can we go? At least it's not slow. I mean, you got a point. It's going. Made any money at all? Only some losses. You're an anonymous YouTuber. Don't worry, I saw you. But yeah, don't worry. How long have you been trading for? Things happen. I like this some nasty PA so far. Yeah, I'm not loving this. Like I said, this. I don't like to use the word lucky, but if I had used this setup, where was it? Was there, hey? Yeah. If I had used the setup, it would have been a lucky win. There's actually no other word for it. Like, yeah. It would have actually just been lucky. Yes, it respected the shelf, it respected this fair value gap, but... yeah. Just, yeah. You must be joking, though. Seriously? Seriously. Out of curiosity, you guys, what's ICT saying about the price action now? Something wrong with my phone. It doesn't have your number in. That was a goodie. I'm low-key impressed with that. Damn. I was gonna say OTT, you should try that one, but I mean that wouldn't quite work because I'm assuming you would text someone that, and obviously you would have their number if you're texting that. But that one definitely goes into the unhinged pickup lines. I love it. That was actually pretty good. I like it. Chop chop chop. Yep. I don't know how. Duplicated. ES. Oh yeah, ES is actually quite nice. Ooh, you're gonna trade ES? ES actually would have been a good setup. Check here. Right there. ES actually would have been good. Had 1, 2, never mind, not so good. What about instant? 2. 3. Keeping an eye on something. It's about to tap into VWAP on ES. Let's see how it reacts and respects it on ES compared to Diva Nasdaq. Trend lines 1 month. Oh damn. Okay. What made you go with trend lines? Yeah. Do you trade for fair value gaps or what's your strategy? Oh, so Villy, am I saying it correctly as a Villy? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So market auction theory, premium and discount. So I use a GAN box to get the 50% of the range. So I'll use this quote unquote lucky trade here, if you will. You can see here 50% would have been the entry. It would have looked like so. Entry at the 50% of this full range. Stop loss is 30% of this 50%, and 2R down would have been my TP. I probably would have left a runner for midnight opening price. So I would have been taking out break even, but still. Yeah, then like I said, I use ICT and SMC confluences, so fair value gaps, order blocks, shelves, I call them shelves. The first presented fair value gap is a goodie, and volume profiles, the bob levels to be more specific. So I would, well, obviously I didn't take this trade. I still worked out, but I don't like it. He's saying it's bad plus having NFP on Wednesday. He glad he didn't take any trades and trash talking young mentors. Oh, rough. Wait. I'm not considered a young mentor, right? No, I'm definitely not. I can't be mentoring anyone. Not if you're on a dating website, you won't have their number. Ooh, that's true. OTT, are you on a dating website? I don't know if you are. Are you? No judgment, but just curious. Orca theory mentioned. Probably we go to the next zone down there. Next bob level. Now what you thinking? I mean, it's right by daily opening price. Would you call it the daily opening price? Asia Open, I guess. I'm thinking of starting learning scalping. Do I have any tips? Like, what type of scalping? Hear me out, okay? Because technically, I am a scalper. It still takes patience for me to see my setup. And sometimes I get 2 trades a day, sometimes I get 1 trade a day. Other days I don't get a trade. And then I know some people that do like 12 trades today. So what type are you looking for? In and out within like a few seconds? Are you looking for potentially bigger R's? Yeah. Help me to help you. Help me to help you. If you have Discord, you're more than welcome to also join and you can ask further questions. I'm super happy to help where I can. Yeah, Vinny, what type of trading do you do and how long have you been trading for? Welcome, by the way. How you doing? You watched Toru. Do you mean Tori? Why would I be on a dating website? I'm a child. You are of legal age to be on a dating website, just saying. My daily because OTT is finding something new. No, we gotta protect OTT. He is like the baby of the group and we gotta protect him with our lives. I'm gonna start a mentorship, but I'll do it. I just realized what happened. When you do become a mentor, you're gonna have to change your channel name to Maya Teach Trading. I don't know if I'll be a great teacher. That being said, I thoroughly enjoy trading. Hear me out, hear me out. So obviously when I started trading, I didn't quite know what I was getting myself into. But the more I learn and the more I do, the more I enjoy it. I did not picture myself enjoying it as much as I am. I was never such a financial person. Like, I'm good with my money. I'm really good at saving but you know, past that, not so much. So I'm actually thoroughly impressed. Oh, it broke below VWAP on ES. Let's see if this is now potential to start drip dropping further down. Hey, here we go. ES is moving nicely. Okay. Midnight open. Oh, Jordy, did you take that? Good break below. I mean, I don't like where VWAP is with that. If VWAP wasn't there, VWAP was maybe a little bit higher, I wouldn't be hesitating on this at all because definitely have 2, 3. I have 3. It's a little bit choppy, but I have my 3 confluences. I can't deny that. I definitely have my 3 confluences. It is below on there. Let's see. I know, don't jump into anything, but we have waited. It did break below there. Maybe a little bit of a retest off of this 15-minute. No, it might not retest high enough. Maybe expect, no, there and there. It's A+, I just don't like. The only thing I do not like about this one is VWAP. It's the only thing. Everything else is good. Shoot. Oh well. Liar. OTT is not 12. He is full of lies. All the lies. So many lies. You're just gonna keep going, aren't you? Potential wick in there would be great. Let's see. You think it's going bullish now? Sorry, I still don't believe OTT is 12. Can we fact check this? OTT is not 12. He is lying to all of you. All the lies. Let's hit no trade for me today. May sit out for the day. Please sell. Is this AI? Hey, David spending? What you spending money on? No, it's not AI. OTT, stop it. W, Jordy, be done for the day. Oh, what the heck, Jordy? No ways, you took level to level, didn't you? Damn, Jordy, what the heck, man? Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Okay. You want to see quick-ish movement to this level. Quick-ish being the keyword. If it doesn't work out, it is what it is, but... 1, 2, 3. Okay. That did retest 50%. That retested 50%. Those both retested 50%. That's not incorrect. If that could have a little tap in, that would be fantastic. How does it look on ES? Looking for that on ES. Okay. Relative equal lows. Oh, there's London low as well. Oh, it's respecting this midnight open. Would you call it midnight open price? Midnight open range, midnight open price. Price? Area, level? Sorry, I'm debating in my brain. 20 insane banger trade, Bob. Yeah, no, 100%. When else I want to sell you either first on the short or you're in Chop City. Yep. Here we go, whoop whoop. No, honestly. Hey, Miss Parker, what about that? 25081. 25081. You think it's going down there, Tom? What the heck, man? Okay, well, let's see. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's see. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Now I don't want to be greedy. What about I do like the relative equal lows though. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna watch here. Where's 50%? Around there. Let's see if it reaches the 50% level. Okay, reach the 50% level. Mitigate risk by half. Midpoint there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I want to see it take out... Ooh, hit the partial on ES. I want to see it take out the partial now. Come on, take my partial. Take my partial. Okay, partial taken. Come on. Okay. Done. What the heck just happened? I don't know. What just happened? Sorry, I'm kind of in shock right now. I've never been so calm about that ever. Cool. Winner winner chicken dinner. Might retest 50% here. Oh, just missed there. Oh, this is where the being greedy thing might be it. What up? Javar, you took the trade with me? Well done. Lines up with little some. I won't say it. Maybe that's my sister. Yeah, tell him. Whoop whoop. Thanks, Tom. Whoop whoop, guys. Anyone else that took a short? Well done. Whoop whoop indeed. What the heck? Let's talk about current running trades and next trades to be taken. Talk to me. Well, let's see. I still have a runner in. Again, maybe I was being greedy. I should have maybe just taken it both out. I have it to... There's equal lows on the higher time frame. And then I was looking at this, but again... We didn't quite tag the level. It hasn't even hit there. Bounced off of... Would you call this Asia open price? Would it be Asia opening price? Opening range? Whatever. Opening price, I guess. Really? Thank you. Seriously, guys, well done. Well done for anyone that did have a a win there. Ooh, okay, it hit the 50% nicely on ES. Let's see. No, I lied. It did not hit the 50% nicely on ES. Okay, struggled to retest there. Went further down here. Okay. Let's raise hand. London low or equal lows? That's fantastic. I guess it just runs in the genetics. It's up like 400, so I'm done. Okay. I'm trying not to be greedy. I'm trying not to be greedy. I'm trying not to be greedy. Let's leave it at the equal lows. The equal lows are good. Point of interest. So leave it alone. This could also shoot up and take me out. So hands off. Leave it alone. Don't be greedy. Let me see something. I'm just curious about something quickly. I had this there, where are the relative equal lows? Ooh, a good solid 3R. Okay, so 3R is pretty decent. Let's see, I'm then gonna close that. That was a banger. My Apple Trade 5, tell them to make max accounts 10. I'm trying to buy a Bugatti. Oh, OTT, by the way, they are opening up that you can get more accounts. Yeah, that was one of the things we spoke about. So they are going to open up that you can get more accounts. Just saying, it's going to happen. I'm trying to buy. So OTT, is that like, hear me out, is that legitimately your goal to get a Bugatti? No, not lying. Why have I got a buy limit? I do not. It's my stop. It's for the runner. Yeah, I've left a runner. Microave. I do indeed have a runner. Okay, but again, okay, this is where... No! Leave it alone. See, I want... Don't be greedy, 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 don't be greedy. See the debates that go on in my head. Don't be greedy, it's not worth it. Leave it at the relative equal lows. Relative equal lows are a good space. Greed is not what you want. You do not want to be a greedy person. And it's a very good point of interest. It is struggling to break below this level though. So maybe... The struggle to break lower down is not great. Let's move 50% of that. I should theoretically move this slightly further down, because if it reaches that level, I don't actually want it anyways. So let's see. Let's leave it. Oh yes, yeah, sorry Mikawabe, sorry. I thought I was joking. My long-term goal is a Bugatti, but gotta go in stages, so probably I don't even know what a Brabus is. Sorry. Sorry. Was a blocky. You could stay. Oh my. There we go. Can't knock the Brabus, and the Jersey boys are addicted to them. I don't even know what that is. Damn, I need to be better with my cars. 50k trade 5 accounts would be enough. That's like 20k payouts a month. Damn, that's impressive. Still struggling to break that. Oh, I wouldn't want to take this trade here. Yeah, I wouldn't want to take it there. Oh, guys, I'm so conflicted. I know I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. I must leave it alone. I must leave it alone. If it maybe presents another decent entry later on, leave it alone. Leave it alone. It's at equal lows. Hands off, right? Hands off, leave it alone. Just follow there. Done. Oh, it's a Merc. Got it. Got it. Got it. Check like... Mine's gonna be pink, but it has to be like that hot pink, right? Like that bright pink, or else don't bother. And... Oh, not yet. Oh, not yet? Seriously? Okay, I'm hit by runner. No, but that's why I told myself, don't do it. Rather be consistent, right? Rather be consistent, don't be greedy. That's... Hey, that was a good one. Okay. And done. That was a really nice trade. Okie dokie. So let me mark out just where the runner was. That was a good solid... The marker was down to, yeah, 3.5. Took me out there. Cool, there's the runner. And that was... I'll just leave it like that. Gives you an idea. Whoop whoop. Cool. Awesome sauce. I'm scared to check my balance because I don't know if it's as good as I want it to be, but shall we check it together? Let's see. And open. 52879. Five two 879. Okay. Okay. Now I just mustn't let any pressure get to me. I must just carry on as normal. Effort YOLO. Is there consistency on that account? No, there's not, Jodie. Not until you are funded. Otherwise, there's no consistency. You can, yeah, you can go all in. I know. I'm salty I didn't hold, but if you win, we win. Exactly, but that's exactly it. If we're all in this together. Shoot. No, can't be upset for not holding. Can't be upset for not holding it. YOLO short, no. Oh, that's once. Well, let's see. I just mustn't get a loss first, hey? Like I did last time. Gotta now just stay consistent. 25081. Do you believe this is going past the new weekly opening gap? I can't believe you're saying effort YOLO. Okay. Technically it didn't hit the 50% of this. This should be the range, but that's not great range. I don't want it to bounce that high, like far back up either. Okay, I think this might just be running away without me now. This might just be running away without me. You know what? At least I wasn't greedy. It's okay. Maybe we short it on the retest. I don't know if it's going to retest though. Do you think it will? And if it does, how high up will it retest? Is it going to retest to VWAP? I mean, sure. Look at this freaking gap that it created. Holy guacamole. Okay, let me just take a little screenshot of this for Discord. Okay. Okay, well, it hit London low, so oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. My hair's doing disgusting things today. But wasn't incorrect about London low. That's not bad. So London low was now taken. There's a lot of sell side that has now been taken. This could retest solidly. Only considering the last few days. No, honestly. I'm so sorry. Hey, Glass, how are you doing? That's Papa Michael's voice in your head. Take the stops here and retrace. Oh, if I was more of a degen, I would have taken a buy up to the next level. Theoretically, you would want to see it go back up to the next level. Oh, if I was more of a degen. Even get tagged. Now I close my... Run it later. You could grind back up to that level again. Not a pretty trade, but still potential. I know, that's what I was thinking. Hey, nice, Glass. How was work? How's it going? Is it okay? Me? You know, work is work, I get it. How long will I be live today? Oh, I still got a decent amount of time. Well, let's see. Let's see if anything presents itself again. If not, it is what it is, right? Coming back for nighttime. What's up? IF34RLX. What? How you doing? That's the thing. Do you want to see it grind this far back up? Like you said, it's not the prettiest trade. Don't take trades which will lose and set you back. No, OTT, that's also it, right? That is also it. If it's not A+, leave it the heck alone. Don't have to rush into anything. I'm waiting for a bit of a retest. I know. So out of curiosity, Tom, out of curiosity, what made you say 081? Why there? What's at that level? Sorry, my balance is 52879. Yeah. Yeah. Hey Roman, what's up? A+ setup for me has 3 or more confluences. So, for example, this setup, I did say the only thing I didn't like was, oh, actually, to be fair, it got a little bit better and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. You can see it literally just tagged me in. That was actually a really nice trade. Huh. Anyway, sorry. I went top of the range to bottom of the range. Top of this range, yep. Top of the range, bottom of the range. Made sure I had the correct range this time. I had my shelf, I had my Bob volume profile level, I had a fair value gap. A little bit of this order block, the wick of the order block, sometimes it respects it really well. I mean, I already have 4 confluences there. And it respected VWAP. Like I said, I wasn't too sure about VWAP, but it respected it nicely. So technically that was 5 confluences. Again, A+, 3 or more confluences for me. That one had 5. It was awesome. It was a goodie. Go on then, rev it. If 147 hold for at least 10 to 15 minutes on MQ, I bet on a reversal. Let's see. Oh, wow, hey, oh my gosh. Roman? Okay, actually, give me 2 seconds. I need to go fill up my water. I'll be right back. Seeming as it's a little bit hands off now. Take a breather, wait for the correct setup. I'm gonna be 2 seconds. I just gotta grab... You know what's stuck in my head? Sorry. Look, just passing the EVA. I wish. Liquidity stop. Lots of stops. Let's see. I have a blister on my thumb. It's the most annoying thing in the world. Do you guys know? So shout out to them. Just I'm mentioning them, but out of curiosity, do you guys know Joey and Frank? And you, okay, yes, my mic is on just before I'm like talking away and no one can hear me. Of course, the one day I don't just leave a runner to do its run around thing. It just freaking goes. My gosh, if I'd left the runner, I would have passed. It's fine. It is what it is. Very nice there. 081. Seriously, what is at that level? Oh, the liquidity stops. Got it. You know my uncle and pop. Nice. So do you know what's stuck in my head now? So remember I said I got like a frozen lasagna for dinner? That whole thing of the silent G in lasagna. And then Frank is like, it's not silent. And he's like, where's the G? He's like, nya. I am repeating that in my head over and over again. I do not know why, but it is stuck in my head now, and it is very annoying. Took 50% of that theoretically. 081. Would be too easy to wick out of this. Maybe it works out. Do you have one? No, I lie. Nope. Okay, that's a solid no from me. Not gonna do that. Maybe it works out like I said, but if not, then it is what it is. Hey, Datsun Dog, what's up? Yes, I am South African. How you doing? Justin, so not necessarily the 15-minute break, but I did take this trade. Yeah, I took this trade. It lined up nicely with the 15-minute and my strategy and all my confluences. Oh, of course, this is now going to work out because I didn't take it. Mother fluffer. That's not woulda, shoulda, coulda right now. I do agree the G is not silent. Little Wayne dropped a bang line. Sounds like everybody thinking the G was silent. Oh, Datha, what's up? Where are you from? No, Josh, I'm just kidding. What part of SA are you from? Got a few SA people here. I love it. All the South Africans unite. Nice one. Yeah, Justin, did you? Justin, don't add the pressure. I'm on 52879. I'm like not even half it. No, I'm half a trade away. But it does mean that if I have a loss, I'm a full solid trade and a bit away. But let's see. Am I using GB levels? No. What's up, baby trades? How you doing? Western Cape. Oh, I'm KZ inside. Real G's move in silence like this. No ways, Justin! No ways! Okay, Justin, you deserve a whoop whoop. That is amazing. Shout out to Justin. I'm a profit you need to pass. What's that? $220. Yeah. Okay, let's say 250. And this is going freaking level to level again. It was an A+, it was not A+, it was not A+, so leave it alone. Going to that New York low now. Okay. Let's check out the higher time frames before I start overthinking too much. So let's check out the 4 hour quickly. Solid drop. Wow. Has now officially tapped into this. You don't think this will go as far as like 957, do you? That feels a tad bit excessive. Struggle to break above though. Do you think this is now continuation to the bear side? I was bullish, clearly I was wrong, so it's okay. My short one may hear your pass. Wait, don't push any trades. No, exactly. Lock yourself out. I'm back. What's up, Rango? How you doing? Are you in profit? Well done. How long have I been trading for? Not even a year yet. How about you? How long have you been trading for? And what strategy do you trade? You know, tell me a little bit about yourself. I love it. South Africans unite. Oh, a little retracement back up to, what's this? 197. A retracement back up to 197 will actually be a banger. Might reverse before, but no, 197 will actually be awesome. I don't know if it's going to go that far up though. Let's check the 15-minute. Said 197, huh? No, I'm going too far up. Out the way, you chopstick. Huh. Not as nice on the 15-minute. Actually like to see it go a little bit higher on the 15-minute, but yeah, that being said, it's not the worst. All this could just keep going down, down, down. Going down, 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 down. And that's gonna be stuck in my head again. 197. At this level here. I mean, it's quite a good little shelf there. And on the 5-minute, there's an inverse fair value gap. That it just blew right through there, so me. Okay. 1 minute, let's see. Sugar honey iced tea. I got out of that trade there at those equal lows. I'd left a runner. Again, woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? Don't do that to yourself, but woulda, shoulda, coulda. Right? Of course I do. How you doing? Levels are marked out for chop and not for MNQ. Oh, that's okay, Mikawabe. Don't you stress about that. 25953 is next level. Price would go down to, look left on the charts. I'll check now. Blessings, what's up? You're from Africa as well? How are you doing? Or brokerage, hello lab. So I'm currently using top 1 futures, but I do want to switch back over to Tradeify. I'll get my bias for the day. For the session rather. I have a proper look now. Hello, are you in profit or loss today? Rango, I'm in profit today, luckily. On and off for the past couple of years, I haven't been as consistent as I would like. Oh, I get it. And what type of trading do you do? MSNR and price action. Nice. Southpaw! I'm on land FI. If you go on a cruise, don't get the drink package. I'm still trying to get that out of my system 3 days later. Oh my gosh. I'm making a vow to not drink liquor. Oh, till the weekend. Oh, okay, I mean, that's fine then. Not shouting. See why I don't like taking runners. There's a sense of I could have made more, I could have had higher RR. It also messes with your data collection. No, OTT, that's true. It's that woulda, shoulda, coulda thing, right? I mean, yesterday I left that runner and it made me not have profit. So I guess you kind of just have to decide if it's a risk you're willing to take to either not make full TP because you've left a runner, or to make a lot higher. Okay, obviously then don't do it with the funded account because it could mess with your consistency rule, obviously, but yeah. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I know this is hands off for a bit. Let's not push this. Hands off for a bit. I need another A+ setup, else I'm not doing that to myself. Not worth it. No. Not worth it. Let's not do that. Let's start to see retracement back up. Oh, where did you get those? You know, Bob, I don't know. I don't know where I got these levels from. It's just I just woke up one day and they were there and they just work on point. It is actually ridiculous. In my first 6 years trading, I was never even close to being able to pass a prop challenge. Getting this close in less than a year, amazing. Thank you, Mark One. You're such a sweetie pie. I really appreciate. Also, you've been awfully quiet. How's the trading going? That's fib retracement to use. It's a GAN box actually. Well, much of a muchness, but it's the GAN box that I use. You have one that's not set right. Really? Which one? Which one is incorrect? Is it this one? If you're looking at this, this is the new weekly opening gap, by the way. So this one with the border and the line in between is the new weekly opening gap. Sorry, I've taken it across there. Which one's incorrect? Now you've got my brain going, what? Where? That's why I was saying to you that my runners don't have TP. I only use stop loss every 10 to 20 trades. You'll get an absolute banger. Yeah. I took the same trade down to the Asia lows. Hey, Rusty, well done. That's amazing. Bob, 25060. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Then I'm gonna have to readjust the next two because it means I've completely butchered those. There we go. Ah. Yeah, then I butchered these. Okay, I'll have to fix those now. So then this will definitely be off. Thank you. No, what did I just do? That's not 060. Don't mind me being an absolute chopstick. Give me a minute. I'll find the brain cells again. They are there somewhere. I'll fix the rest now. What have I done? Why have I done this? 25060? Yes. There we go. I'll fix this now. Okay, then that one's also off. Oh no! I need to fix all of these! Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, I'll fix it now. I butchered that. Have I butchered all of them? No, yes, probably. I'll fix it later. Hey Rango, what? Sorry. What other type of trader you want to be? Leaving runners is amazing. All of us are trying to make money for the goals. Be consistent, you can make more with the first target. I did not self-post, sorry. I'm gonna have to have a watch tonight. If I may ask, what's your target number for this year? Like, how much money are you planning to make this year, and how much money do you think you need to achieve your goal? Arango, I'm not gonna lie to you, my only goal for 2026, I kept it super sweet and simple. Literally, my only goal was to pass my eval. That was my only goal for 2026. So I haven't even thought about the rest. Maybe that's a bad thing, but yeah, I just wanted to keep it sweet and simple. I'm gonna have to fix everything else now. It's okay, I'll fix it later. That's 10% of usable drawdown for two. That's 2k drawdown, my roughly risks $200. Thank you. Now your next goal is to get a payout. Exactly, that would be the next goal. Ooh, What, Rango? What? Why are you shocked at that? Banger to banger. Huh. Hey, Guck, what's up? How you doing? There and there. Oh, I have to fix these levels. These are not gonna bother the heck out of me. Ooh, it means that this would also be different. That's probably gonna be right by New York Low. Hey, Bob. Okay. I'll fix these. Whoop whoop again, as expected. Grind it up. Hey, Jordy. Amazing. Well, let's see now where this goes. Like I said, only A+ setups next in the game. Time to go make a pasta. That's valid. What pasta are you gonna make, by the way? Maybe start with that. Hey Zip, how you doing? No worries, it was fun, but nothing most people would be interested in if I wasn't involved. I wouldn't. No, Southpaw, I'm like I said, it's been a chaotic time. I'm just gonna say that. It's just been chaos. And it has been so hot. It's now so humid. I actually ran up a hill like this today. I was questioning all my sanity. Hey, Vienna caller. How are you doing? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? It's 2 AM. I want pasta. I think there's still room to the downside for Monday's low, but I don't want to be here for that. That's valid. I created an ICT concepts indicator on TradingView with buy, sell, stop loss, and 2 TP target signals. It's hit 2 days in a row now. How big is the TPs? Out of curiosity, you don't have to say anything. Which are you asking, coin or which one? So Nasdaq futures, so it's not a coin. I'm eating pasta right now. Are we all eating pasta tonight? I'm having lasagna. Nya. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a thing that I start doing. Lasagna. Nya. Which is technically a pasta. Yep. Wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation. Don't rush in. Was I interested again? That 197. Hey, I said 197. In the wrong direction. Oh yeah, 197. Up here for a bit of a retrace before going back down. Is it bad that I kind of feel lost without my bob levels being correct now? The TPs are 1 to 9, 1 to 2. How big is the stop block? Or does it vary? Does it vary depending on range and things like that? Carbs plus traders equals love. I'm so hungry I couldn't eat mud crab. That's rough. Oh, please, thanks, Bob. Pasta, garlic, tomato, and mushroom. Oh, that sounds amazing. Wait, that's okay. We'll tell mud crab tomorrow. The crazy thing is, I reminded you. What the heck?
That's what she said.
Okay, moving on. Kenneth, what's up? How are you doing? Love from South Africa. How goes it? Head off now, stay safe and have fun. Cheers, OTT. Mad love. I was just really thinking of doing something like that. So I'm the only one with lasagna. I'm never gonna be able to say it. Ooh, do you guys want to judge me more? I know it's your favorite thing to do. So you guys can definitely judge away for what I'm about to tell you. Okay, are you guys ready? So, I don't know why, I just always call it... Now I'm gonna butcher it. It's bolognese. I always call it bolognese. There's a G there. Bolognese, let's just be real. I know it's supposed to be bolognese, but I always call it bolognese, and there ain't nothing that's gonna stop me from calling it that. Hey, old Mac, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? I'm just here waiting for a plus setup. Let's see this 197 level. Mac, how's the trading been treating you? That's and don't give a channel as well, Jordy. Nah, he does not. Oh, okay.
Nice.
That was good. That was really, really good. Microwave, that was impressive. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that a lot. Be real, your name is... There's an A in there. Yeah, exactly. Oh. That's Maya. No, Mac, what happened? What happened, Mac? But we sweeping this 25081 level back to the upside. So you guys have fun, good luck, good trading, enjoy your... Cheers, Geordie. Cheers, OTT. Is everyone just like, nah, I'm out? No, I don't. Maybe someday, but Maya's eating it. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Good grief. Scary, buddy. Nearly knocked my light over. Anyways. Fun times. Go have fun? What's up? What happened? Troy, eat up, big boy. Weird thing to say. Hey, Mr. Brian, how you doing? Made 150 bucks today. Whoop, whoop. Well done, Brian. Green is green. Well done. That is amazing. Super, super chuffed and proud of you. What did you end up trading? And where did you take it? You done for the day? That's fair. I'm waiting for an A+ setup. I'm trying not to be a silly goose. Mac last week slashed me up, so now I'm switching gears to survival in the markets. That's not good. I mean, you know, last week got me bad, but slashed you up how badly, and what are you doing in the markets that's now different? Go have fun today. Hey! Are you saying you had a green day? Green day! Well done.
That's what she said.
I did a leverage trade in Bitcoin, 50 minutes setup, small quick play. Well done! That is awesome! And a leverage trade, that's impressive. Oh, thanks for the sub. Thanks for all the new subs, guys. You guys are awesome. Super exciting. We're getting up to 13,300. Slowly but surely. Oh, right. Just before I forget, while I'm having a little bit of a breather and I'm dying of heat, I am now officially affiliated with Tradeify, so you guys can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, for Tradeify accounts. There is a current special happening at the moment. You'll see it pops up. It's 30% discount off of all accounts until the 15th of Feb, which is Sunday. So yeah, if you guys 197. No, it didn't quite reach 197. Sorry, I'm keeping an eye out. Let me actually just do this. Sorry, ADHD, attention, bleh. Attention's popped drastically. Yeah, it gives you an idea. Okay. I'm super, super proud of you. But yes, if you guys use Tradeify or want to give Tradeify a look, people have done lots of research. Tradeify tends to actually be one of the top prop firms, if I do say so myself. You guys can go check it out. And like I said, they're having an awesome 30% off discount until the 15th of Feb. So get those accounts. You can get the discount using TeachMaya. There's the pop-up. And to add onto it, if you guys, I need a minimum of 10. If 10 people use my code to get a prop account, I will do a giveaway. I will do an account giveaway, but I need a minimum of 10 people to use the code. And I'm trying to push it for at least within this week, right? While that discount is happening, because then it helps you guys out as well. Sorry, I thought I would just mention that. For the people who are trading Bitcoin, Traderify is also bringing crypto in as well. It's not open yet, but it is in the works, and my code will work for that as well. So that's super exciting. Did you do a 24-hour stream for 12 subs, or was that still a future event? South Part's a future event. I was too exhausted. I couldn't do it. I know I was supposed to, but my brain just went, nope. Can't do it yet. That was a good rejection off of that level. Let's see how it reacts here. So that was at 197 level I was kind of keen on. That's what I marked there. Let's see what it does here. Decent rejection. Might start pushing back up. So in the higher time frames, this was the level I was kind of keen on. This is going a little bit too slow though. Let's see. Maya, pray for the retest on yes. You've got this, Mikuave. Lol, I'm up $10 yesterday. I didn't trade at all today. That's okay though. That's in dog. I doubled the size of my stops and reduced my previous risk by half. That's full when volatility pops up like today. The pattern I noticed one lost. Interesting. Okay. I think it would just be easier if you get it tatted on your forehead. I mean, it might be, right? How's the spread for Traderify? It's pretty good. Literally, well, I mean, futures spreads are decent. I've never seen it go above 0.75, and that's pushing it. That's pushing it. Futures spreads are really, really nice. I mean, here you can see it's 0.50. Oh, I lied. There it went to 1. I lied. I haven't really seen it go to 1 that often, but okay, there we go. That's the most I've ever seen it go. But now it's at 0.50 again. It normally sits between 0.25 and 0.50. In general. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. That's just from what I've noticed when it comes to futures in general. That's one of the first times I've actually seen it jump to 1. But I do know the spreads, especially Nasdaq, well, especially futures, are really calm. I mean, these are sessions that define a trader, so I own all my wrongs and lessons. That's okay, Mac. But I'm trading commodities. Yeah, no, that's, yeah, listen. Definitely futures are a lot smaller when it comes to the spreads. A lot smaller. That is what I heard. Like I said, I've only traded Nasdaq futures, so I don't want to sit here and be like, oh, I know exactly. From what I've heard and from what people have told me, the futures spreads are a lot nicer. Kinda, bit of both. A lot kinder than others. Dom, you think we go up now? What account do you trade on Traderify? So, James. Okay, you guys are now going to judge me. I'm actually currently still using my old account, which is Top 1 Futures. I am still affiliated with them as well, because I said I wanted to either, I mean, destroy this account, not destroy, blow this account or pass this account, because this is the closest I've been to passing. I didn't want to now just restart a 50k challenge, but in general, I start with 50k challenges. It's just what I do. In general, I say it like I've done it a lot, but yeah, 50k challenges is normally what I go for. I'd be coming down to sweep to 500 level. That would be interesting. Oh, guys, check out this. This was my point of interest. I wanted to see it retest there before continuation. Let's see if this, I don't even think this is the 50% of it though, but it was my bit of a point of interest. There we go. Literally would have also been midpoint. That was good. Okay, I'm slowly but surely getting a little bit better at reading these. Very nice rejection off of that level. Let's now see if we do indeed head back down. Do you think I might be headed back down for the New York low? Like I said, I'm not gonna jump too quickly into anything. I don't want to now go and push my luck. It has dropped a lot. It has dropped a lot. It's a little bit overextended. I mean, it did retest the 50% of this range, but I'm gonna need a little bit more confirmation before I hop into anything. Oh, thanks, James. I appreciate it. Small pullback and go up. Might be coming down with me. Might spread on forex instantly in minus. It's so stupid. What? No, Mikuava, that's not okay. Whose spreads on futures are the best, even compared to the best in FX. Ah, there we go. Hey, Matthew Duff, what's up? How you doing? Why? No, it was. What's this? 197. Do you want me to show you? I went to the higher time frame, Solly. I went to the higher time frames for the specific point of interest. I think it was specifically on the 4 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Maybe it wasn't the 4 hour. Oh, it was. Bottom of this wick lines up with this shelf. Was around midpoint of this that was a fair value gap, obviously, at that point. It tapped into... Was it on the 4 hour? That I got this point of interest? Maybe it was the 1 hour. Huh. Ow! I think I just made it the bottom of this wick. Yeah, around 197. 1 hour. Hello, Periwinkle! Hello! Better run, have a great evening. Cheers, Southpaw! Maglove, thank you for stopping in. Don't forget to press that like button. With the broker I'm using now, it's quite high commission, but low to no spread on some pairs. High time frame got the muscles. Yeah, it was, here we go. It was the top wick of this order block mixed with the shelf and tapped into the shelf as well. So that was my point of interest for potential little bit of a pullback. There we go. That if it was going up, it would probably hit that level. So around that 190, 197 level. Huh. See? Higher time frames. Yeah. I did expect it to maybe take out this 955, 24955. Yeah, that's a very far drop though. That's a very far drop. Okay, let's go back here. Reset. Okay, we're going back up. Cool. Dats and Dog, what broker are you using now, out of curiosity? Okay, so it was a little bit of a pullback, wasn't exactly a solid go get 'em. That pulled back, that pulled back, that pulled back. Back up to VWAP. And opening price, range, whatever you want to call it. Okay, this is headed back up to the level. I know. Bob, I'm trying so hard to not trade silly things. I mean, 1, 2. I think this is just gonna keep running, so not ideal. Nah, it's just gonna keep running. And a pullback here, I would be a little bit nervous because that's right by that point there. Not worth it, not worth it. Tomorrow's a new day? No, don't take a trade. No, you're right. You're right. Are they allowed in South Africa? Is it channel where you talk about your struggles open on Discord? Yes, it is, Mac. It is. It is. It's called Your Accountability. Go for it. You'll see that I've placed a few there. I know Mikuwave has as well. I think you got some juice today. Honestly, and it started so meh. And then it just went, okay, bye. See you later. Yeah, 100%, Mac, please. I researched a lot of them, but I never saw that one. My friend from just said that one, but yeah, I'm still a newbie. But interesting. Oh you say still a newbie. It sounds like you're pretty knowledgeable, so I wouldn't quite call you a newbie. Ah, that's nice. I'm gonna have a look. I'll come to SA with my pimp hand and baby. How did you think about the trade today? Damn the threats! I'm putting that in the Bob quote just by the way. Cause that's a goodie. Okay, no, you're right. You're right. You are correct. Let's not now push it and add the pressure, right? I think I'm it's so close. Don't let the pressure get to you though. Don't let the pressure get to you. Take the A+ setups, be confident in your trade. Otherwise, leave it the heck alone. Yeah. Leave it the heck alone otherwise. Bob, you saw what my balance was on, right? Mac, I got you. Discord link. It is in the description below. I know sometimes you can't click on this, but let me copy this. The closer you get, the higher the emotions. No, you're right. You are correct. So, OTT. What? What trade did you take? I thought you were like clocking off. What the heck, man? OTT. I need answers, but also whoop whoop. Whoop whoop to anyone that's had a win today, by the way. This is a huge whoop whoop. There we go. Whoop whoop. Crack Entertainment, what's up? Do I trade Fib and 50 EMA? No. Wait for the wave formation, like number 4 with little wave. Rango? You talking about, give me a second, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't see it, but okay. Doesn't connect to trading view, MT4, MT5, or the web terminal. Oh, interesting. Is it easy to trade? I've never really seen or used those before. Is it easy to trade or not really? Vienna? How much did I win now? I don't even know. This was over $400. Yes. I gotta celebrate payout shall be requested. Oh, no ways, OTT. See, man, if I was there, I would have been like, okay, we're going out for, I don't know, you're really young, an ice cream. I'm just kidding. Oh. Hey, John, what's up? How's it going? I'm shaking that biggest payout. No ways, OTT. Also, what trade did you take? Did you take the, I'm assuming the buy, right? Rango, wait for me. What do you mean, wait for you? I feel like I'm really behind, but it's okay. I think Bugatti loading. Honestly, I mean, it's decent, but trading view is nicer. It was very... How do I put this? Trading view is pretty beginner friendly and pretty simple. Again, I can't speak for the others. I've never used them, so I'm not sure. You know, how much you bet times 20 or times 100? Vienna? I don't bet. We are traders, we don't gamble. Speaking of, I drove past where the Durban July is held today. I was like, what? Anyways. Celebrate with some orange juice. $10K. So, OTT, what I'm hearing is ice cream's on you then, right? Right? What the heck? But no, seriously, OTT, well done. That is amazing. That is so amazing. Well done. I'm sure I speak for everyone when we say this, but I'm so proud of you. I know you've been trading longer than me and but like your biggest payout, well done. I'm so happy for you. If I was there, I'd seriously be like, okay, well, we're going out to go and have some ice cream or something. Well, you still have a chance at this long. Yeah. Ninja trader all the way GG for very true trader. Yep, about to get hammered on orange juice. Oh, damn, gotta get that vitamin C. God. gosh, green heat maps. I like apple juice. Oh, you think leverage? Oh, sorry. Well, I don't use leverage, so. Yeah. Vienna, which website? I'm on TradingView right now. If I may ask, what's your account size and what lot amount? So, my account size, I'm doing the 50k eval challenge. So, 50k challenge. If you want to see my balance is at 52879.52. Yeah, so close. Yet so far. I'm not taking this. No one yell at me. Yeah. I'm not taking this. I'm curious. Like I said, this isn't a terrible trade, but might expect a bit of a further rejection down. Let's see what happens, yeah. About to go play Valorant. 10,000 on my funded account. Use the 10,000 on teach my. Thank you, Microwave. Hello. Yes, ice cream on you. Congrats. Yeah, no, honestly, OTT. That is amazing. Seriously, that is amazing. Well done. Uh, 0.5 good zone to take long. Might want to go higher to the VWAP on ES. See, I now have to sort out these levels. I know this one is 100% correct. The others I need to sort out a little bit more. These are not correct levels. Let's see, Dom. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. Let's see. I was asking True Trade as well, but don't know how to. Oh, sorry, Datsun Dog. Let me ask what's your account size of. Oh, OTT, are you still there? OTT. Ashley! He might be gone. I'll ask him tomorrow. Rango. What do you mean, wait for you? Wait for you what? I'm on my first fund account, but I have a question. If I have multiple accounts, how does one place trades on multiple accounts at once? You mean the copy trading? Mikuabe? They never touched this one. Let's see. Hey, Vishal, what's up? I have confidence you'll pass the challenge. It is a time-based challenge. All the best with it. Let's see. Hey, Axe, what's up? I'm talking to this very pretty and possible. Gabe, that's purely on you. If you're on the phone, I won't let you at. Dom, attention. Let's see if it would have worked. I mean, I like the levels. Could go back. So I'm pulling a face not because I think there's anything wrong with it, just I don't want to now go and mess up a good thing. Right. Yeah, pretty much. Do I have to do it separately or what? Which trading software Topstep has it built into Project X? Hey, OTT. Oh, OTT. So there's some questions for you. It's time-based challenge for the. Oh. Is it a time-based challenge for the funded account? I'm not so sure about the funded. Sorry, Datsun Dog. Rango, what you talking about? So OTT question, there's two questions for you. Datsun Dog wants to know if he may ask what's your account size and what lot amount. And then Solly asked what prop you taking from. And I think that's it. And then Dex and Dog can, I guess, could also be asking, is it time-based challenge for the funded account? Alright, so then can I still use NinjaTrader or do I have to switch to Top Step? Sorry, Mikawawa, you're asking the wrong person here. I can't help you, but sounds like Solly can. 50k total, 5 accounts, funded next. Okay, so Dom, you're thinking along here. Would have tagged in there, not loving the rejection off of there though. Let's see, maybe it would have been a win. I'm not so keen to now go and risk it all. Not a bad tap into the shelves there. Might want to go further down though. Staying above, that's promising. Might want to go higher to tap into... Let's see my setup. Where's your setup, Rango? Show me your setup. You need a third-party copier, but you can still do it. Gotta honestly, right, Bob? OTT, you are the champ of today. Hey, Lucas, what's up? What? What's up, Lucas? Oh my gosh, guys. Dead. Just dead. We go to 1.5. Turn of the hour. Too sweet to be sour. Oh, I love that. I love that. Sorry, I know I'm going a little bit quiet. I'm watching what's happening here. Do you think everything's calmed down for lunch now? Do you think that's maybe it? Because it kind of has calmed down now. I'm gonna say it again, Mikawawa. I know I should get it tattooed on my forehead. Anyways, guys, don't forget to press that like button. And yo, I'm now officially affiliated with Tradeify. They are having specials at the moment. If you want to get that special 30% discount off of all accounts, super awesome. You can use my code now. It's TeachMaya, all caps, no space. Hope the charts come back tomorrow with a fresh melon. Don't worry, Salia. I am hands off. I'm just watching how this plays out now. I'm watching how this plays out now. Did tap nicely interview. I'm not good. Bob threatened to come to South Africa to give me a smack if I took another trade. I ain't doing that. Bob's terrifying. He's from Texas. He will do it. Charlie Funding doesn't have a... I just made 2k from each account. Mikawawa, I'm sorry. Does anyone ever, you know, not make things a pain in the butt? Just, you know, asking. We have 20k. Main green line up there. Oh, the 1.1 level. Let's see. This did now properly tap into this shelf. Let's see how it reacts off of it. Again, it's not quite having the rejection you would, well, that I would like to have seen, but it could just be messing around a little bit here. Let's see. So if I did take this trade, would it look like so? If I did, being the keyword there. Would have gotten tagged in there, would have messed around here, wicking out, which have freaked me out. Let's see if this would have been a... I know woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? My reason for not liking it is that this bob level's right there. This could go a little bit further. Yeah, that being said, it's incorrect freaking level. I need to I need to adjust my levels. Heyo, Samuel, what's up? I can ask, what am I trading? Of course you can, Lion's Head. How are you doing? Cape Town. Ayo, what's up? Another South African in the house. How are you doing? I'm also from South Africa. KZN side though. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I didn't go get a far enough retrace, so I'm gonna go cry for no. Don't. It might come back up now. See, we're going with what Dom said. Nice, Dom. Look at it go. Very, very nice. Rango too risky. Yeet. Big green on the long is good for the soul. You take the short in the pullback. One? This one? Yeah. What are you talking about here? I did not take there. I took that trade up there. It was a good winner to the equal lows at that point. So Samuel, not the downtrend at open, but I did get in on this retracement, literally got me in by a tick and then went down. So I did have a win for today, which is awesome. You are welcome, Lion's Head. Well, I nearly asked where you're from. Stupid question. How long have you been trading for? Western Cape represent. Damn, who said ICT doesn't work? Careful, you guys are gonna like listen. OTT. Careful. Careful. What's up, Lucas? How you doing, Lucas? How are we doing? Exclamation marks, I'm scared. Hey yo, some guy, how's your mom? I don't take shorts on ES, only buys unless it's a strong back test. That's interesting, why? I took profits. Yeah, I took profits here, there was equal lows. At this point, you could see it slightly rejected off of it. It's fine. If I'd let it continue, I may have... No? No. I had a good point of interest for it to take profits there. I should, you know, so it is what it is. I found this kryptonite. ICT haters! Lucas, you're welcome. Damn, good grief. Wait, which one of the 100 ICT concepts are you talking about? LP? It's at 52879. Yeah. 52879. Oh, it might go further up, Mikuwava. Are you watching it? Huh. Dom? Nicely done. Nicely done. Here I would have mitigated risk by half. Let's see if it rejects off a VWAP again. Wait, which one of the 100 bob levels are you talking about? I know, LP, I know. Man, let's see. This is always bullish in macro sense, so you can catch bigger winners buying rather than selling. That's interesting. Okay, she gotta go back again in 2 weeks. You definitely still ain't with it mentally though. Offline some random stuff in there. Damn, anything to do with the brain is terrifying. Terrifying. Like someone said, you can get a lesion and you can forget how to write with a pen. You could still write with a pencil, but the brain just forgets how to write with a pen. I think that is so wild. It is so wild. When it comes to psychology and how the brain works and all of that neurological stuff, mind-boggling. Thanks, Maya. We make some money for ice cream. I love it. Let's see, Bob. I'm trying so hard to not let the pressure now get to me. Because now my brain's going, I should have just taken this. I would have gotten 100 there and hold it. But it's okay. It's okay. We hands off, we stick to our plan, we stick with our rules. And tomorrow is a new day. I'm on FTM and try to 5 been on FTM a lot longer, but I'm thinking of sticking to futures. Ooh, well, James, I'm now officially affiliated with Traderfy, so if you get another Traderfy account, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. I don't know if you know, okay, I'm sure you've seen the pop-ups popping up all over the place, but Traderfy is having a 30% discount currently on all accounts, and a 40% discount off over 150k select. Why are we screaming? Next push, and thank you for watching. Dom, well done, by the way. Rango, you say now you can sell? Hands off. Responding with answers that aren't answers to questions I asked, not following the convo very well. That's terrifying. Witcher? Well done. Well done, that is awesome. Whole point of my runners is so I can catch up. You can get to 300 point on a runner, but that's also very now and then. Hey, am I paper trading? No. Account trading, I guess. Well, prop account? Challenge. 50k challenge. There we go. Just had a fall, but still not 100%. Sell and enjoy the ride. Let's go looking to get another copy account. Oh, James, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Like I said, can use my code. Just had to let it out. No OTT. Deserved. Deserved. Okay, Bob, how much you selling it for? The hard thing is how psychology comes up in trading. It's like fighting an unknown enemy, discovering parts you didn't know you had. But that was something. Sorry, I know I'm gonna ramble again. You guys should be so used to me rambling by now. Speaking of, there's the specials. Wee. So sweet and simply. Sorry, again for the ramble. Sweet and simply, it was actually Rip that said, when it comes to the charts, it makes you realize things about yourself you didn't know were an issue. So it forces you to overcome issues that you didn't even realize you had in order to become profitable. And until you can accept those issues and overcome them, it's almost like you're fighting yourself. Like, I used to be very impatient. I used to jump in on every single trade. It was a problem. I didn't wait for confirmations. I didn't wait for anything. I'd just be like, there it is, and jump in. And that's me being impatient. And as you can see, I still sometimes struggle with the focus. I've sometimes missed really good trades because I wasn't focused. And I do, believe it or not, lack confidence, even though apparently I have an ego. Sorry. So even if there's a really good setup, I will sit there and overthink it and almost talk myself out of it, even though it would have been a winning trade. And those are things that, yeah, they are issues that I struggle with even in real life, and it's a thing. You have to really realize it. Part you didn't even know existed. I only rebound off a bigger candle than the previous 2 or 3 for a little one. Am I on the 1 minute chart? I am, Dats and Dog, I am. The chart has 27% win rate. Right now, I'm getting to rework it daily. Functional bias me. 65%. The markets are... The markets are a mirror that show you all your negatives. Literally, that is it. It's like someone holds a mirror in front of your face and goes, you're gonna have to deal with this. Or else you can't move forward. It's brutal. It's brutal. But it teaches you discipline. It really, really does. Whether you like it or not. You know, consult mentorship and some of this. Definitely have an ego. Are you saying I have an ego? Got stop break even. That's not bad though, Chris. I'm up 2 and 4 on the day so far. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Wait, Chris, you passed your account, right? Yes? Yes. No? Did you pass your challenge? Mikuave, trading sucks. No, it does not. Has it reached your level yet? It's still climbing. Mikuave, has it reached you yet? Big goody, oh, good grief. Hello, what's up? How you doing? I restarted at TPT 50k. It's at 50400 now. Hey! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Okay guys, for real, I'm heading off now. Gonna go tell my mom. OTT, we are so proud of you. Well done. Huge shout out to you. That is So amazing. So amazing. It's not a bad thing I have an ego. Oh, you're talking about yourself. I thought you were saying I have an ego. I was like, I'm sorry. I don't know what I did, but I'm sorry. Today was only SMC trading for me. Script had 4 losses and I was able not to take them because low confidence. See, that's the thing with AI. I guess it's the thing with anything, right? It works to a degree. Was it low confidence or was it... We were having this discussion yesterday about subconscious. Like, sometimes you see a trade and it's a good setup, but there's something in the back of your head saying, I'm not so sure about this one. I'm not too sure, maybe don't do it. Stuck on VWAP there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm saying we both do. I wouldn't think I had an ego. But okay. I'll trust you guys. Apparently all of you guys think I have an ego, so we'll stick with I have an ego. We broke VWAP and go for total profit. Let's see. What is the difference between... I'm all sorry. I can't answer that. I do not know. I don't trade those. Sorry. I apologize. I trade futures. No script like A+, A, B, C, F. No, exactly. Right? Do it. Find which setups work. Like, I don't want to be like 90% of the time. That feels very high, but let's say 70%. And what confluences do they have? What makes it a banger of a trade, right? No, so my level was 6938. Oh, I see. On yes, but when I was waiting for my retracement to buy, it didn't pull back far enough, so this on top of the earlier trading sucks. What level do you use? Microwave? What level do you use, out of curiosity? Because it went nicely into the 50% of this full range. Let's see, 3.8. Seriously, what level do you use? Really relatively below, they're actually on ES. Interesting. Seven device. Too much news makes noise in trading. Too much news? Zip? You mean like the NFP and stuff like that, right? Yes? Is that what, like, you mean the actual physical news going on? You want to really recognize your trading process, write the strategy steps out on a list, then draw that out as a flow chart, take a pic of it, and give to AI and ask to digitize it. Interesting. So XAU USDT is crypto-based USD, loosely and tied one-to-one with real USD, but affected by crypto. Oh. See, you learn stuff every day. I'm going to copy and paste that. I mean, it won't affect me now, but it's still always good to know these things. Okay. Then you have a clear step-by-step process to follow that tells you either yes, take trade, or no, don't take trade. The feelings are what cause problems. The strategy and process are what cause success. Been trading crypto since 2017. Much knowledge there. Oh, yes, you did tell me that. You did tell me that. What was your idea to switch then? I think I have asked you this. Hey, Dom, there it goes. So there I would have taken partials. Okay, so it would have been a winning trade. Look at that. Well, okay, partials break even, right? Sell with me again, 0.01. No, like I said, if I had taken another trade, I will be snacked. I will be snacked. My levels are zones, but wicks, but they have to be zones that stick out. Okay. Stick outs are usually land on a previous day low from your sessions and restrat thrives on panic selling. Okay, interesting. Crypto is 24/7 stress and more taxes to pay, and futures is less stress, and I only do New York hours and less taxes and less fees and sleep better. True. Hey Samia, what's up? How are you doing? Of course I do. Strategy automation is the way forward. Debbie, how's your trades been today, by the way? Are we happy? We whoop whooping? Was it a goodie? Sorry, curious about this. Check at that trade on ES. Damn, that's pretty impressive. Okay. That was a nice 50% level. I must say, this on ES actually looks quite pleasant. There, that was good on ES. That was a nice 50% retrace. No, that wouldn't have happened. Oi, that would have... No? I took this level. I did. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. Interesting. Sorry, just thinking. I'm back. I was just taking a trade on paper because Maya wasn't taking him. Locked in 150. So, sorry. Was that necessary? Seriously? Was that necessary? Do you feel good about yourself right now? Really? You said you'll show... Solly, I said I would have because Bob will come and beat me up. 100%. Bob will fly to South Africa to come and beat me up if I took a trade. 100%. I 100% believe him. That he would come here and be like, yeah, come. I could have entered higher up, but I was so focused on that level, I wasn't seeing the bigger picture. That's okay though, Mikuwabe. Hey, Pizzy, how you doing? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. If I was in the long, I'd be out. I think it's too close to rejecting VWAP hard. Yep. So, like I said there, it would have taken partials and be headed towards break even. Bob, you're being very optimistic. I might not pass tomorrow. I'm just gonna treat tomorrow like it's another day. I'm gonna pretend like I've just started a new account and that it doesn't matter what happens. But if I do, flex your biceps and yell big dog. I have so many questions. Like, why? What is the name of your profane? What? My profane? Profanity? Do you mean my prop? Take me CRT, baby. I love your work. Oh. Why am I scared of the market? Hey, laser boy. Why are you scared of the market? It can be intimidating. Let's just be real. The market can be intimidating. Especially, are you new to trading? Don't play with Bob. No, exactly. No. We don't mess with Bob. Bob will find you. Witcher, what's your balance at? You lose account. No, so Witcher... It's at 52879. Yeah. So that's why I'm trying not to get now the pressure of yeah. Let's say I'm like $200 away from passing. I'm trying not to let the pressure get to me. It's so close, yet so far. Use smaller position size. Think sure he meant platform. Oh, sorry. That makes sense. Profanity. Platform, I'm using TradingView via Tradeovate. That's all. Let me buy some ice cream and see. Oh, cheers, Dom. Mad love. Obnies. Obnies? You're still scared, but I make profit. How long have you been trading for, Laser Boy? Sorry, I'm talking to not take a trade. Sweet and zipped. I know that's a weird thing to say, but yeah, it is what it is. So then what are you scared of out of curiosity? Like, part of me understands, another part of me is like, downsize until you don't care about the loss so you can focus on trading setups. There we go. There we go. That's a great one. I first said something like wave 4 likes, guys. Profit again. Nice, Rango. Whoop whoop. I'm scared of wrecking the economy with my great ideas. Okay.
Emotional damage.
Actually, no, that was the wrong meme for that. This was the right meme for that. That was amazing. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my gosh. I'm good. Grief. I bought some physical silver yesterday and the PM stock took a nice dip this morning. Yay! No. Bad? Happy. Sad. Heyo, Eddie, what's up? How's it going? I wasn't expecting that. Laserboy Toxic, that was spot on. That was pretty impressive. That was pretty impressive. Wow. Just wow. This is still quite a bit of volatility for this time of the day, actually. 11:30 and it's still kind of okay. I guess it's ranging, but it's ranging with momentum, if that makes sense. It's not like yesterday. Yesterday's price action was, yeah, just yeah. Breakfast time, nice trade today. I'm out. See you when I see you. Cheers, Bob. Mad love. Bob does have the right idea though. This is not the best time to be trading. Interesting to see there what would have been. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay. I'm gonna call it there before I do indeed, because Bob's not here, so now he can't threaten me, which means I should probably lock myself out, which means I'm going to close. I'm gonna close. Let me close this. I love you guys madly. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to press that like button, and you can use my affiliate code with Tradeify now. It's Teachmaya, all caps, but I'll be back tomorrow, London and New York session. Let's see, ow. Let's see if tomorrow is the day that I pass or completely lose it. Let's see, tomorrow's going to be interesting. Am I going to just get losses after losses, let the pressure get to me, or will we pass the eval? To be continued. I love you guys madly. I'll see you tomorrow. Trade safe if you're still trading. Bye. And oh, whoopsie. I love you guys. Bye.